if you really want to increase your sales in Lazada, there are 3 things you should be strongly focused on to improve. Number 1 is traffic. Number 2 is conversion rate. And number 3 is basket size. Number 1, traffic comes from organic traffic, means from keywords, okay, and from let's say from campaign traffic, and also paid traffic like ads, okay. So this we can control, okay. Number 2, once we get the traffic, means people click in, right? Conversion rate, it really depends on the seller and not on Lazada anymore. So to convert them to pay you, okay, so we need to have good and detailed images and descriptions, okay. Maybe have a good video, okay. Maybe that we have a good flexi combo vouchers going on, and of course free shipping really determines a customer wants to pay for that order or not, okay. And number 3, basket size, means that instead of buying 1, we try to convince the customer to buy 2, buy 3, buy 4. So this is you can achieve by making flexi combo, like buy 2 5%, buy 3 5%, or buy 3 get 1 free gift, to convince them to buy more, or even with the voucher. So if you can target traffic, conversion rate, and also basket size, your sales will definitely increase. Try it out and put in the comments what you think. If you want training to grow your Lazada sales, don't hesitate to contact Cikgu Kong.